This is going to be a video tutorial on how to change the primary mouse button in the Zorin operating system. Let me jump over to my desktop here. I am on my desktop now. To change your primary mouse button in the Zorin operating system, first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the lower right hand corner, down to my little system tray area. I'm going to click in there. Then I'm going to go up and I'm going to click on the little gear wheel. Now in the dialog box that opens, the pane off to the left hand side, you want to scroll down to where you see it says Mouse and Touchpad, and click on Mouse and Touchpad. And then right up here, primary button. By default it's probably set to the left side, but you can change it to the right side by clicking on right. Or you can change it back to the left side by clicking on left. That is how to change your primary mouse button in the Zorin operating system. Thanks for watching.